Welcome to Vishwa's Genius Hub, to explore the world of GK. Get ready for an exciting science and technology quiz to test your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a challenge. Let's dive in. Global Initiative on Digital Health (GID) launched by which organization? WHO, UNICEF or Global Health Council? Correct answer is WHO. The WHO and the Government of India launched GIDH during the G20 Health Ministerial meeting in Gujarat on the 19th of August 2023. What gases are detected by scientists on Charon, the moon of Pluto? Carbon dioxide and hydrogen peroxide, nitrogen and methane or oxygen and nitrogen? Correct answer is carbon dioxide and hydrogen peroxide. Scientists found carbon dioxide and hydrogen peroxide on Pluto's largest moon, Charon. Charon is half the size of Pluto, measuring 1,214 kilometers across, discovered in 1978. Sickle cell disease is which type of disorder? Neurological disorder, respiratory disorder, inherited blood disorder? Correct answer is inherited blood disorder. Sickle cell disease is a genetic blood disorder that causes red blood cells to become rigid and sickle-shaped, leading to pain and organ damage. What is necrotizing fasciitis? Invasive weed, flesh-eating disease, fungal infection? Correct answer is flesh-eating disease. A 59-year-old British man almost died from necrotizing fasciitis, a rare, life-threatening infection caused by a minor spider bite. What is the first LLM recently introduced by CoRover.ai in India? Bharat GPT, Chat GPT, Auto GPT? Correct answer is Bharat GPT. It is India's first large language model. Designed for 22 Indian languages, Bharat GPT addresses linguistic diversity challenges. Who has spent the most time in space, breaking Russian cosmonaut Gennady Padalka's record? Oleg Kononenko, Yuri Malenchenko, Yelena Serova? Correct answer is Oleg Kononenko. Russian cosmonaut Oleg Kononenko has spent the most time in space, breaking the record of Gennady Padalka. At 59 years old, he has spent over 878 days 12 hours in space. Which space center said Saturn's rings might disappear by 2025? NASA, CSA, ESA? Correct answer is NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA confirmed that Saturn's rings will seem to disappear in March 2025 due to an optical illusion. The rings are made of ice and rock particles orbiting the planet. Primary objective of the Cassini-Huygens mission project: analyzing asteroids' composition, exploring black holes, investigating the atmosphere and moons of Saturn? Correct answer is investigating the atmosphere and moons of Saturn. The Cassini-Huygens mission was a joint project between NASA, the European Space Agency (ESA), and the Italian Space Agency (ASI) to study Saturn and its moons. What causes the wheat disease known as wheat blast? Fungus, bacteria, virus? Correct answer is fungus. Wheat blast is a severe disease caused by the fungus Magnaporthe oryzae triticum, first found in Brazil in the 1980s. Which is not a fungal pathogen? Calentida albicans, Aspergillus flavus, Helicobacter pylori? Correct answer is Helicobacter pylori. Helicobacter pylori is a bacterial pathogen that can cause gastritis and ulcers and infects the stomach in about 40% of people. How many main types of power plants are there in India? 3, 4, 6? Correct answer is 3. Main 3 types of power plants in India are hydroelectric power plants, thermal power plants and nuclear power plants. Which country recently reported the most cases of zombie deer disease? Sweden, Canada, USA? Correct answer is USA. Zombie deer disease is a fatal brain disease that affects deer, elk, moose and reindeer in North America. What disease does the R21/Matrix-M vaccine prevent? Filariasis, smallpox, malaria? Correct answer is malaria. The WHO recommends this R21/Matrix-M vaccine for children to prevent malaria. Which IIT launched India's first mobile medical devices calibration facility on wheels? IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee? Correct answer is IIT Madras. IIT Madras launched India's first mobile medical device calibration facility on April 15, 2024 to enhance healthcare accessibility. On which planet have scientists recently discovered a reservoir of liquid water? Jupiter, Venus, Mars. Correct answer is Mars. A study found large amounts of liquid water on Mars deep in the rocky outer crust of the planet. Guinea worm disease is caused by which microorganisms? Bacteria, virus, parasite. Correct answer is parasite. Guinea worm disease, also known as dracunculiasis, is caused by the parasitic roundworm Dracunculus medinensis. What are carmazine, tartrazine and rhodamine called? Infectious diseases, industrial pollutants, food coloring agents. Correct answer is food coloring agents. Carmazine, tartrazine and rhodamine are the dyes used in food and other products. They have different uses and health effects. Causative agent of leptospirosis, rat fever, is bacteria, virus, helminths. Correct answer is bacteria. Leptospirosis is an infectious disease caused by bacteria called leptospires that can affect both humans and animals. Which mosquitoes transmit Zika virus disease? Aedes triseriatus, Aedes aegypti, Aedes coraceus. Correct answer is Aedes aegypti. Zika virus infection is spread by Aedes aegypti mosquito, which is characterized by low-grade fever accompanied by a rash. Which two star clusters were discovered by the ESA's Gaia Space Telescope? Aditya and Vikram, Shiva and Shakti, Dhruv and Ganga. Correct answer is Shiva and Shakti. The European Space Agency ESA Gotthard's Gaia telescope uncovered ancient star streams, Shiva and Shakti, shedding light on galaxy origins. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more amazing content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, especially about the quiz questions. How many did you get right? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.